So on this question, we are going to go over how to solve for x. And really there's just two main steps that you need to follow. The first is to get all x's to one side. And the second step is to get all numbers to the other side. So we're going to start with that. So we're going to start at step 1. So how do we get the x's over to the one side? We have 4/6 plus 3x minus 2. That's already on the one side of the equation. But then we want to get this term over there. So now we subtract 4/5 3 minus x, which equals 4/5 3 minus x minus 3 minus 4/5 3 minus x. So as you can see, these two terms will cancel out, which will leave us with 4/6 plus 3 over x minus 2 minus 4/5 3 minus x equals -3. So that's our first step. We have now gotten all of the x's over to one side. What's our second step now? Bring all the numbers to the side without the x's. Meaning, we have 4/6 plus 3x minus 2 minus 4/5 3 minus x minus 4/6 equals -3 minus 4/6. And as you can see, these two 4/6 will cancel out. What are we left with? We're left with 3x minus 2 minus 4/5 3 minus x equals -3 minus 4/6. So now that we've gotten all the x's to one side, all the terms with x's to one side, and all the terms with only numbers to the other, we need to now multiply through to simplify. So therefore, step 3 would be simplify. So as we multiply that out, that becomes 3x minus 6 minus 4/5 times 3 minus plus 4x over 5, which equals -3 minus 4/6. So now we want to repeat step 1 and step 2, if we need to, by getting all of the numbers to the one side and keeping the x's on the other side. So therefore we have 3x plus 4x over 5 minus 12/5 minus 6 plus 6 plus 12/5 equal -3 minus 4/6 plus 6 plus 12/5. And then as we can see, these will cancel out, and this and that will cancel out.